Hello, VetPix here again with the latest of my home machine shop videos. Like I explained in my last video, I bought a couple of machine tools from Craigslist sellers. First, Microtech mini mill, and second, a Microtech mini-lathe. I've been working with the mill and the lathe, particularly the lathe, to improve my skills and get used to the equipment. In my last video, I showed you the 4 capsules that I had made on the mini lathe. As you can see, those are on the left here. Those remain unchanged. My latest attempts to learn the lathe were done with these 3 what I'll call bullets. The first on the left was my first attempt to use the cross slide to cut a taper. In this, the cross slide was set at about 18 degrees. So as the cutter moved, it cut this bullet-shaped taper on the front of this workpiece. I also did a skim cut on the body and a face cut on the end to create this shape. My second attempt was this, which I think came out quite nice. Here I changed the cross slide angle to about 9.5 degrees, created a much shallower taper, a more angled and pointed tip. And then I cut with my cutoff tool these 3 grooves equally spaced at 150 thousandths of an inch to just create some interesting detail. Then I chamfered the end and faced the end. I was pretty happy with this. It's a pretty interesting little piece of art. My last attempt further increased the angle of the cross slide, this time to about 7 degrees, to cut this much longer taper. My original idea was to make this all in one piece, perhaps with the middle section being a little larger. However, when spinning on the lathe and trying to do this plunge cut to create the start of this narrower section, I had too much tool pressure and the whole piece canted sideways and the aluminum cracked. So what I did was mounted this nose piece in the lathe backwards with a set of soft jaws so I wouldn't mar the finish. I faced this end, counterbored it, and threaded it so that it would accept this middle section, which is made out of steel. It was a 1/4 by 20 bolt, which I turned down and threaded the far end to fit into this end cap that I made. Similar with the parting tool, creating this interesting design, faced on both ends, drilled, counterbored, and tapped. So this is my blowgun dart, and it's a pretty nice piece of work. In the case of this piece and my second piece, they were both polished on my buffing wheel. First with emery, which is a very coarse abrasive, and then with a white abrasive, which is a lot finer to produce this nice finish. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with my progress so far on the machine tools. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to check out my other videos at YouTube at VetPix. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like. Bye for now.